Hi everyone, today we have the Hatchimals Collectibles Hatchtastic Jumbo Egg Game. That's a bit of a mouthful. Right, this might be in a couple of parts, so let's have a look at the box first. Right, tells you about your game, and you get an exclusive figure and what you get in the box. So let's get her open. They don't want you to get the egg out. There we go. There we go. So, right. We're almost there. Almost got it out. Nope. Strength. There we go. Egg's out. Right, so there's the egg. And you got your card game, which has got little press out eggs on the back. That's interesting. And you've got really cute little dice. Even. Dice? One anyway. And got your instructions. See, there it says die, there it says dice. So, I'm assuming they're both right. Right. So there's your instructions for the game. And shall we open this little cutie? Oh. No, maybe not. There we go. Oh. That is not an easy one to crack today. Try not to throw little bits everywhere. Right, let's just get rid of them bits. And we have the little pony. And it's green. And it's got wings. And it's so cute. That'll look really cute with my other little ponies and my other little bits from my unboxing toys on my pretty little shelf. Right, have a good day everyone. Bye bye.